How to save a Snapchat picture to gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will show you how to save your Snapchat photos directly to your gallery in just a few steps. So without further ado, let's get started. Open Snapchat. Make sure you are logged in. Now tap the profile icon at top left corner of your screen. Select gear icon at top right corner. Scroll down and select Memories option. Now you have to find the Save button option and tap on it. Here you can easily check mark memories and camera roll. Come back. And after that you need to simply tap on Autosave My Snap Story and then tap Autosave to Memories. Come back. Now when you take a snap and tap the save button, it will go straight to your gallery. So that's it. If this was helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.